how you see the transformation in the Chuck who joined ServiceNow in 2010 and the one which is sitting right now with me in Vancouver release
Well,
2023.
I think I finally figured out what I wanted to be when I grew up. I
Oh,
my career has been a rather squiggly one with I'll be honest, not a whole lot of planning, but I followed my passion. And in 2010, ServiceNow had about 175 employees. So the growth has been phenomenal. I think the last number I heard was about 23,000. So just in that 13 years, it's been a wonderful ride. It's been great. Had to learn to adapt from a much smaller company to a larger one. I was at a fairly large company for 22 years prior to this. So,
okay.
going through growth and working with a larger organization was not unknown to me, but I was able to ride that adaptation again. And in 2011 and 12 is when I started sharing on the community. I was learning things and I would post little blogs, and some of which are still out there and doing quite well. Very appreciative of that. In 2013 is when we started making videos. That's when the Tech Now web series was launched. And we just celebrated our 10-year anniversary earlier this year. Very happy about that.
Great.
2017 was another milestone. That's when I started doing this full time instead of doing it on the side. The evangelism and the sharing and the content creation as a secondary part of my job, it became the primary part of my job. Doing demos, doing videos, doing learning, content creation, and getting involved with the developer community more closely as a core part of my job. And now, as we look at 2023 and beyond, my focus is really on taking that experience and sharing it with the rest of the team, being that advocacy mentor, passing on what I know to Pranav Bhagat, Earl Duque, and Lauren McManaman, and really anybody else who cares to listen.